Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a new Scratch project and creating two sprites, one for the chatbot persona and one for a simple input prompt. Once done, define a list or variable named user text to hold input. Make sure to add 5-10 clear trigger response pairs as a starting dataset. This keeps testing fast and focused. Now implement a broadcast to start the chat when the green flag is clicked, so you can immediately test the first exchange without extra clicks. Next, you capture user input with the ask block and save the answer into user text. This is the core of interaction. Then use a chain of if/else blocks to check for triggers with contains or exact equals comparisons. This lets you recognize keywords or full phrases. To avoid repetitive replies, store multiple responses in a list and pick a random item when a trigger matches. Make sure to broadcast different animations or sounds after each reply to improve perceived responsiveness. Finally, you add a reliable fallback reply for anything unmatched so the chat never stalls. This improves user experience. Then run at least 20 varied tests, noting where triggers miss due to case, punctuation, or typos, and refine your checks accordingly. Make sure to normalize input to lowercase and strip punctuation before matching. If the bot still fails often, reduce trigger specificity, add synonyms, and increase response variety. This troubleshooting step usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.